In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a new contract template in HoneyBook. This is a valuable skill to master as creating and managing contracts is an essential part of running a business. So let's dive in and explore how to use HoneyBook for this task. To start, we need to go to a particular project within HoneyBook. Open up the project section, and here you will see a list of your client projects. Choose the specific client project you want to work with. Selecting your project correctly is the stepping stone to keeping everything organized and ensuring you're working within the right context. Now with your project open, it's time to create a contract. Look for the Create File option. Then click on Contract. By doing this, you'll be presented with the option to select New Contract. It's as straightforward as it sounds. This action will allow you to either initiate a fresh contract or tap into the templates you've set up before. Once you've started a new contract, you'll have the opportunity to browse through your saved contract templates. HoneyBook thoughtfully stores any contract templates you've previously saved, keeping them handy for future needs. You might wonder what to do from here. Well, it's entirely up to you. You have the flexibility to either make edits to an existing template or start entirely from scratch, tailoring it perfectly to your current client's needs. As you customize your contract, you might want to add your own personal stamp by incorporating your logo or brand colors. Don't forget to include all necessary clauses and terms that are pertinent to the agreement. It's an exciting part because at this point, you're crafting a contract that's not just legally binding, but also a reflection of your brand. Once you've tailored the contract to your specifications, make sure to save your work. Saving it ensures that you'll never lose these customizations and can effortlessly retrieve them when needed. One of the great advantages of HoneyBook is that your saved contracts are at your fingertips across all projects. Whenever you need to create a new contract, you can quickly pull one up from your contract selection. This makes the process efficient and ensures consistency in how your client agreements are structured across different projects. And that's it. Now you've learned how to efficiently find and utilize a new contract template in HoneyBook for all your business dealings. This process is designed to simplify contract management, making it a seamless part of your workflow. By following these steps, you can ensure that your contracts are not only professional and comprehensive, but also personalized to meet the unique needs of each client. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you with the knowledge to navigate HoneyBook with confidence.